Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Reactor and this is Quinn. Today's article comes from physicsworld.com, which I've actually never heard of, but it looks pretty legit.
Sounds legit.
Yeah. It's titled, Handheld Biopen Prints Human Cartilage.
Cool.
So you just load it up with a stem cell cartridge?
Yeah.
And then
something.
draw.
Do they make those?
You can draw the cartilage, make your own shark. 'Cause sharks are all made of cartilage, you know.
Can they do other... I wonder if it could do other stuff
Teeth.
besides cartilage.
You can print
like,
teeth.
Like
Tooth
muscle
pen.
and...
Yeah.
I want the one that
skin pen.
prints skin.
I've heard of skin pen.
Yeah.
I've heard that they have a way to make skin grafting with a,
yeah.
with a tool.
Like an at-home thing? You just...
No, like in the emergency room.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's a picture of the Biopen Mark 4.2.
That looks legit. I want one.
What would you do with it?
I mean, I'd keep it just in case you need it.
A little bit extra cartilage in your nose.
I
Give
mean,
yourself
you're
a nose
always
job.
your cartilage is always running low. As, you know, as people age, you lose cartilage in like your kneecaps.
Oh, so they're probably in this picture they're probably giving like an old person some cartilage during surgery.
Someone's getting cartilage.
Yeah. They removed the knee.
It looks
like.
easy to use too. Look, you can use it with one hand.
They're gonna start selling them at Walmart's as seen on TV.
Let's not go that far. I mean, obviously, you're probably gonna have to special order it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's start the article, though. A handheld biopen capable of 3D printing cartilage tissue could for the first time be used during surgery to treat cartilage injuries and osteoarthritis. The extrusion-based device, which prints live stem cells embedded in a hydrogel material, produces constructs that look and behave just like natural articular tissue. See, I knew it was loaded with stem cells.
It probably is like a tube, like you were talking about.
Uh-huh.
Like
Loaded with stem cells.
right.
I'm a fucking genius, guys. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't take me seriously. This is in stark contrast to conventional reparative cartilage made of fibrocartilage, which is very different in structure to physiological cartilage. Fibrocartilage and physiological cartilage. Anyway, inferior in quality and not durable, say the researchers. I'm bad at reading, guys. A multidisciplinary, it's like this text, this font is
Yeah,
getting to
it's
me.
messing with me too.
Disciplinary team that includes surgeons, biologists, physicists, and engineers. Our technique and the scaffolds we are able to produce provide much hope for treating patients suffering from cartilage injuries and osteoarthritis.
So they're saying that the stuff they made now, this fibrocartilage, is junk, and they're trying to make something better.
Yeah, I guess. They're saying it's not the same. Cartilage is a highly specialized tissue that has so far proved difficult to replicate during conventional tissue engineering techniques. Its special mechanical properties arise from the fact that it contains only a few cells, does not contain blood vessels, and has a distinct 3D collagen fiber structure comprising aggregated proteoglycans in an organized matrix.
It sounds like you can't just make it out of Play-Doh.
Yeah, we can just harvest it from sharks and then put it in humans.
That's a good idea.
While some success has been reported for surgical treatments that exploit engineered cartilage tissue, existing procedures require two separate operations, one to remove the damaged tissue and another to replace the tissue once it is repaired. What's more, surgeons report a high failure rate, partly because prefabricated scaffolds might not perfectly match the defect, and partly because the implanted tissue is not similar enough to natural cartilage to survive for long inside the body. So yeah,
can cartilage be transferred between people? Healthy cartilage?
Cartilage transplant? I feel like it would be a bone transplant. Can bones be transplanted?
I don't know. That would...
Maybe from a family member, right?
Right.
A sibling? Like a perfect DNA.
Right, because it said there's no blood in the cartilage. So it seems like you'd be able to just, like, you know, take it out of one, put it in another.
Yeah, maybe. Probably like any organ. Researchers believe that treatments using human stem cells could offer a solution, but few studies have been reported to date. In this new work, reported in the journal Biofabrication, scientists from the University of Melbourne, the University of Wollongong, and St. Vincent's Hospital of Melbourne provide in vitro evidence that their new biopen could enable human stem cells to be 3D printed inside the operating theater. The ultimate aim is to enable surgeons to sculpt patient-specific structures in real time, creating scaffolds that perfectly match the geometry of the defect and achieve the best possible contact between the bioscaffold and the host tissue. So, okay. Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Right. Sounds like a difficult job to have to like recreate something on the spot like that.
And yeah, it's like art.
It sounds fun.
Oh, if you mess it up, you're gonna have like a wonky cartilage.
Yeah, like you're gonna walk weird.
Yeah.
Or something.
The team tested their approach with human-derived mesenchymal stem cells that had been harvested from the infrapatellar fat pad of donor patients with osteoarthritis. Once the stem cells had been embedded in hydrogel material, the resulting bioink, yeah, anyway, could be extruded through the Biopen to create a cell-laden bioscaffold. One key feature of the new Biopen is a specially designed nozzle that allows cells and biomaterials contained in separate cartridges to be extruded coaxially. The inner core of the extruded material contains live stem cells, while the outer shell contains cross-linked material that provides rigidity to the printed construct. So it's like an outside shell. Yeah. In this study, the researchers used the Biopen to print 3D scaffolds laden with stem cells, which were then cultured in vitro for 8 weeks in the presence of cartilage-forming media. Thanks to a series of sophisticated histological, molecular, and imaging techniques, we confirmed that the tissue that developed within the construct forms appears and behaves like articular cartilage, say the researchers. This material is expected to be as durable as real cartilage. Okay. It's like the same thing. This detailed in vitro analysis is a crucial step towards full-scale clinical trials. The group has already shown that the device could be used in a real-world setting through preliminary in vivo experiments in a large animal model, and more extensive in vivo testing will be needed before the Biopen can be tested on humans. At the same time, the researchers are investigating whether the same technology could be applied to other organs and clinical scenarios, while also looking at ways to speed up and streamline the process needed during surgery, like printing, can't stem cells, I don't know a whole lot about stem cells. I know they can turn into any cell.
They need stem cells to mix with this stuff they're making, the 3D printed stuff. And then this gel.
Yeah.
It all mixes together.
Mm-hmm. But I think
the stem cells they have to get them from,
osteoarthritis patients.
That's
donors.
where they get it.
You can get donors. Yeah, but yeah, I imagine they could print muscle, anything with stem cells. If you have a pen that prints stem cells, I don't know exactly how stem cells work, but
like that's just one pen they have. Like that they have different ones. Like I said, I want the one
different
that
colors,
prints
maybe.
Skin. Definitely.
Like, I want the blue cartilage, doc.
Like, just make a patch of your skin blue forever. Be so cool.
Slice the skin off your arm.
This is where
and then draw colored skin on.
I got in a car accident and I fixed it at home, made it orange forever.
Is there any? No, that's it for the article. Yeah. So okay, they made this pen.
So it's called the Biopen MK4.2, MK4.2.
I wonder what the other ones were like.
And I'm guessing you need like a special license to buy it. But I'm guessing it's not the only one that they make.
I don't think stem cells are regulated. I don't think they are.
Yeah, because I mean, even if you had that, you still need the. I was gonna say ammo, but you still need the actual container that has the stem cell and goopy whatchamacallit, the liquid you need.
Yeah, whatever it is, the ammo.
Right.
the
thing.
Ink.
For
the ink. It's
right.
bioink, they said, right? Bioink?
Right.
Bioink?
You need that. And that would probably be hard to get. I would imagine finding that, finding the Biopen thing itself would be pretty easy, but they probably keep the other stuff.
But using it is probably really risky.
They make it look easy, but I'm guessing it's really difficult.
I mean, like, if I got my hands on one of those things right now, and I printed cartilage in your leg, I might be liable for prison.
Yeah, because you don't actually know how much cartilage I need,
if
any. Which I probably don't.
The more the better, right?
Actually, I'm not sure, but I don't think extra helps you. I think it kind of like, impedes your progress.
Wait. So do you think I could make a cartilage skeleton, like Wolverine's
Oh,
adamantium.
you mean like a full...
print cartilage all around my bones? No, because then the muscle can't grab it.
Because it needs to be under your skin.
Yeah,
Which
well, that's what I'm saying. So you would slice my arm open,
bulged and
cover
weird
my. Oh wait, stem cells can turn to bone too. Maybe. Can I make my bones twice as dense?
These are questions that, I mean, they may come in this handbook, but something to look into.
Yeah, I don't have anything else to say about this. Do you?
No.
Yeah, so that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like. We really appreciate it when you do. If you want to leave a comment, let us know what you would have done. That would be great. And we also have a Patreon, so if you feel like helping us, it would be greatly appreciated if you would become a member. There's lots of bonus stuff we give our patrons. So no, there's really not any bonus stuff yet. But we could make some
bonus footage.
Yeah, we could make. Yeah, we can give you all the times that we messed up. We actually don't mess up very often because we leave them in because they're not really mistakes. But yeah, so go to our Patreon. The link is in the description of the video, and thanks for watching and stuff. Yeah. All right. See you guys.